Tom here with a quick tip on fleet replacement planning. Based on my years of experience, there are a lot of companies who have good replacement plans, but there are also a lot of companies who don't have a plan. As your fleet ages and trucks start to break down, you really have two options when that occurs. One is to park the truck, the other one is to fix it. Well, most customers need their truck, so they're going to fix it. And when major items happen, the dollars invested become significant, which then perpetuates the problem because you want to run that unit longer and get your value back out of it. So the best approach is to have a replacement plan, proactively know when you want to get rid of equipment, and understand that it's flexible. If business is good, you execute the plan, and if business takes a downturn, you can always push it out a year or so. But at least you're asking for capital, you've got a plan, and you can replace trucks in a proactive manner. And if you'd like more information about fleet replacement planning, please go to Wiers.com and learn more.